Welcome to our series on generative AI. In this video, we are going to dive into the world of code generation. Specifically, we will look at programming assistants and understand the models that help developers generate and complete code every day. So, what exactly is an AI programming assistant? Think of it as a highly intelligent partner that sits right next to you while you code. It is a software tool designed to help developers write code faster and with fewer mistakes. It can suggest small snippets, complete the line you are typing, or even write entire functions just by reading a description in plain English. It might seem like magic, but it is actually advanced statistics. These tools are built on large language models. First, they are trained on billions of lines of public code from repositories like GitHub. This allows the AI to learn syntax, patterns, and logic. When you type, the model analyzes the context and predicts the most statistically probable next piece of code, similar to how your phone predicts the next word in a text message. One of the most common features is smart autocomplete. Unlike older tools that just suggested variable names, AI assistants can predict entire blocks of code. As you type, it suggests the next few lines, filling in standard boilerplate code instantly. This reduces repetitive typing and lets you focus on the unique parts of your program. Modern assistants often come with a chat interface. This changes the game completely. You can highlight a confusing piece of code and ask, "What does this do?" The AI will explain it in simple terms. Or you can ask it to generate specific scripts, like write a Python script to scrape a website, and it will provide a working starting point. Beyond just writing new code, these tools are excellent for maintenance. They can refactor your code, meaning they rewrite it to be cleaner and more efficient without changing its behavior. They are also great at debugging. If you have an error, simply show it to the assistant, and it will often identify the logic flaw and suggest a fix immediately. Why are developers adopting these tools so quickly? The biggest benefit is speed. By handling the routine parts of coding, you can build software much faster. It is also a powerful learning tool. It acts like a personal tutor, showing you how to use new libraries or syntax in real time, keeping you in the flow state without needing to constantly search the web. However, it is crucial to understand the risks. AI models can hallucinate, meaning they might confidently generate code that looks correct but is logically wrong or uses libraries that do not exist. There are also security risks. If the model was trained on insecure code, it might suggest insecure solutions. Always treat the AI's output as a suggestion, not a fact. To get the most out of these tools safely, follow these best practices. Number 1, review everything. Never blindly copy and paste code you do not understand. Number 2, provide context. The more clear comments and variable names you use, the better the AI can help you. And finally, iterate. If the first suggestion isn't right, rephrase your request and refine the result. Looking ahead, the role of a developer is shifting. We are moving away from memorizing syntax and toward high-level problem solving and system design. As the saying goes, AI won't replace programmers, but programmers who use AI will replace those who don't. Embracing these tools is key to staying relevant in the future of software engineering.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.